Right, after that video I'm going to show you now the video of the engine to show you what it actually looks like. And I had a bit of an accident with the door panel. It's alright though. So, let's see, it's in park, make sure it's not going to take off on me when I start it. Knowing this car probably will. That. Thing runs really sweet. Can't believe it, for a 93 car of this type, it actually runs smooth. That's the old engine there now. Nothing amazing about it, but it runs really sweet and it can drive like hell. So that's all you really want with it. So I'm going to try to have to find this bonnet latch that holds it up, because nothing seems to do it. And this time I'm going to rev it really hard, even though my mom says no because it could do something to the engine. Whatever. See. Sounds pretty good. So I'm just trying to figure out where to go where there's no pigs, so I can give it a good test drive.